Hi all, this is Radhika. Today we are going to discuss about data and types of data in SAP. Data are characteristics of information, usually numerical, that are collected through observation. What are the different types of data? Master data, transactional data and metadata. Master data. It is single source of common business data used across multiple systems, application and process. It is the common data that the organization uses across all the departments. It is the key data which does not change. Example, name, address, mobile number, date of birth, place, place of birth and education qualification. Now let us discuss about transactional data. It is the primary data which often changes. It is the data that describes business events. There is a large volume of transaction data in business organization. Some common events that create transaction data are buying products from selling products to customers, delivery items to customers, hiring employees, etc. What are the examples? Purchases. Purchases by a customer. Returns. A record that a customer returned an item that was accepted as returned by the supplier. What do you mean by invoices? A bill for product or services. Payment. Payment towards a purchase or debt. Now let us discuss about metadata. It summarizes basic information about data, which can make finding and working with particular instances of data easier. Data about data. Contents of book. It actually tells who created what. It is created by SAP. Now let us see some of the definitions in SAP. Controlling area, company code, company, credit control area, financial management area, profit center standard hierarchy, profit center group and subgroup, profit center, segment, client dependent request, client independent request. What is the definition of controlling area? It is the highest hierarchy in the company module for generating all cost and management report for internal purpose. Controlling area can be maintained in two methods. One controlling area can be linked to multiple company codes. One controlling area can be linked to one company code. What is the definition of a company code? It is an independent legal entity which can give financial reports to external stakeholders. Legal entity. Any company registered under Companies Act 1956. What do you mean by stakeholders? Who are related to particular business. What is the definition of company? Company is an optional organizational element required for consolidation of two or more companies to get information at country level, segment level, and continental level. What is the definition of credit control area? It is a mandatory element for credit control modules. Based on this, we can control credit limit for customers at the time of sales order creation, delivery posting, and billing document generation. What is the definition of financial management area? It is a requirement organizational element for funds area module. Based on this, we can generate all cash flow reports and fund flow report statements. What is profit center standard hierarchy? It is the highest hierarchy level for profit center reporting. What is the definition of profit center group and subgroup? Based on profit center group and subgroup, we can maintain actual value and planned value more than two profit center. And also, we can allocate one group of profit center to another group of profit center. What is the definition of profit center? It is the smallest organization center for generating financial reports for internal purpose. We can create profit center based on plan, product, group or region. What is the definition of segment? It is an additional organizational elements provided by SAP from ECC 6.0 version onwards. Based on this, we can generate all financial reports with line of business. Example, cement, steel, textiles, corporate, etc. Client dependent. It means if we do configuration in one client, the changes are restricted to that particular one client only. What do you mean by client independent request? If we do configuration in one client, the settings will be reflected in all clients in the server. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Technology framework system, and you change with time unlike the system landscape. SAP was started in the year 1972 at Germany. They started with